As much as drones can be applied for a good role in various sectors, they can also be a menace to society if operated over personal or restricted airspace. This has led to the establishment of the Institute for Drone and Technology of Namibia, Dronetech, a training organization accredited by the Namibian Civil Aviation Authority in partnership with NUST through the Namibian-German Institute for Logistics. Registration, training and regulation of drones and their operators are now on the cards.
There is the first, what we call the visual line of sight remote pilot license, to which license you can add a number of ratings, like the beyond visual line of sight, what we normally call the BVLOS rating, or you can also add to it night rating. Or if you want, we can also train you to be an instructor for other pilots.
But what are the repercussions of not adhering to the rules and regulations?
Then you end up being illegal, and you are really liable to prosecution.
Drones can be used in a variety of jobs and facilitate employment creation if the correct training and procedures are in place.
When we finish the basic course, we can go now into how to use your drone for photography, for filming, or when you have drones for agriculture, then we'll also teach you the techniques of handling the drone in those particular areas of the industry.
The institution's mission is to equip candidates with the highest level of skills and knowledge in order to operate drones safely and efficiently in a commercial environment.